Chemicals from common salt, exploring the chemistry of sodium chloride. Common salt, chemically known as sodium chloride NaCl, is a ubiquitous compound found in kitchens, laboratories, and industries worldwide. While it is primarily known for its role in seasoning food, sodium chloride also serves as a precursor for a wide array of chemicals, used in various applications ranging from pharmaceuticals to manufacturing processes. In this exploration, we'll delve into the chemistry of sodium chloride and its transformation into other chemicals, elucidating examples along the way. 1. Sodium hydroxide NaOH. One of the primary chemicals derived from common salt is sodium hydroxide, commonly known as caustic soda. This compound is produced through the process of electrolysis, known as the Hydrochloric process. In this process, a brine solution, sodium chloride dissolved in water, undergoes electrolysis to produce sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas, and hydrogen gas. The overall reaction can be represented as follows: to NaCl++ to H_2O, right arrow to NaO++ Cl_2 plus H_2. Sodium hydroxide finds extensive use in various industries, including pulp and paper manufacturing, soap production, and petroleum refining. 2. Hydrochloric acid HCl. Another significant chemical derived from sodium chloride is hydrochloric acid. This compound is produced by the reaction of sodium chloride with sulfuric acid in a process known as the Mannheim process. The chemical equation for this reaction is sodium chloride plus H_ to SO_4 RiGHTA RrOWHCl plus NaSO_4. Hydrochloric acaphanismism, including metallogen, food processing, and pharmaceutical titel. 3. Sodium carbonate opening parenthesis NaCO3. Sodium carbonate, alcinone acidosh or washings. Calbasynthesai preferfosm. This processing lists, starting with the Phi produces sodiumbican to an H_3CO_2 plus H_2O plus sodium chloride, right or NaCO_3 and H_ for Cl. Thus sodium bicarbonation to NaCO_3, right arona to CO_3 plus H_2O plus CO_2. Sodium carbonatutiontificious, detergents, and various chemicals. 4. Chlorine Cl2. Chlorine gases of a lavicliacic product in the Hydrochloric. If this varies in dulistrili, including waterpafic, bleaching, and the productions polyvinyl chloride plastics. 5. Sodium hypalort NaCl. Sodium hypalort, commonly nonisbal, is produced with the fracoric tics with sodium hydroxide, Cl_ to plus to NaO, right or NaCl plus sodium chloride plus H_2O. Bleaches with elistuzend, stain remover, and in water tree aston tintant.